Every year brings a fresh opportunity to redefine yourself, and 2025 is no different. If you feel stuck, unmotivated, or overwhelmed, now is the time to hit the reset button. A life reset doesn't mean erasing everything, it means making powerful, intentional changes that help you grow, succeed, and find happiness. This step-by-step guide will show you how to take charge of your habits, mindset, and daily routines so that you can build a better version of yourself. Change starts today, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your life in 2025. Step 1. Reflect and identify what needs to change. Before making any changes, take time to reflect on where you are in life. Ask yourself, what is holding me back? What habits are preventing me from reaching my goals? Whether it's toxic relationships, a poor lifestyle, or a lack of motivation, acknowledging the problem is the first step. Write down areas that need improvement: career, health, finances, or mindset. Self-reflection creates clarity and helps you prioritize what matters most. Once you recognize what's dragging you down, you can start planning the steps to overcome those barriers and move toward a better future. Step 2. Set clear and achievable goals. Goals are the foundation of progress, but they must be specific and realistic. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like. A well-defined goal could be, "I will save 10,000 Indian rupees each month," or "I will complete a professional certification in 6 months." Break large goals into smaller, achievable tasks to maintain momentum. Writing down your goals and tracking your progress keeps you accountable. A vision without a plan is just a wish, so make your goals actionable, time-bound, and measurable. This will ensure you stay focused and motivated throughout your transformation. Step 3. Declutter your space and mind. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Start by cleaning your room, organizing your workspace, and removing unnecessary distractions. A well-structured environment boosts productivity and mental clarity. At the same time, declutter your mind by letting go of negative thoughts, toxic people, and unproductive habits. Meditation, journaling, and digital detoxes help reset your mindset. When your surroundings and thoughts are in order, you'll feel more in control, energized, and ready to take on bigger challenges in life. Step 4. Build a strong daily routine. Success is built on consistent daily habits. Create a structured routine that includes time for work, learning, relaxation, and self-care. Wake up early, exercise regularly, and set a fixed schedule for important tasks. Avoid distractions like excessive social media scrolling or procrastination. A well-planned routine maximizes productivity and prevents burnout. Mornings set the tone for the day, so start with activities that fuel your growth: reading, meditation, or workout sessions. When you make self-discipline a habit, you gain control over your time, leading to a more organized, efficient, and fulfilling life. Step 5. Invest in yourself. Your personal growth determines your future success. Investing in yourself means developing new skills, reading more books, taking online courses, and focusing on mental and physical health. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. Prioritize learning and self-improvement over temporary pleasures. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more valuable you become. Growth isn't automatic, you have to put in the effort daily. Make it a goal to learn something new every day, and over time, you'll see significant personal and professional development. Step 6. Take consistent action and stay disciplined. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving forward. Resetting your life requires consistency, even on days when you don't feel like it. Track your progress, adjust your approach when necessary, and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Surround yourself with people who hold you accountable. The hardest part of change is staying committed, but the rewards are worth it. Success is not about big leaps, it's about small, repeated actions every day. Keep pushing forward, and soon you'll realize how much progress you've made. Conclusion: your new life starts today. The power to transform your life is in your hands. Every small step you take today will shape your future. The key is to stay committed, consistent, and patient. 2025 can be the year where you break old patterns and build a life filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Start now, your future self will thank you.